Okay, students, good morning. Today we studied about the World Wide Web and mobility. So, in mobile devices, how the World Wide Web is used and in which way the mobility, the World Wide Web is provided, or we say the internet is provided to the mobile devices. So in last lecture we studied about the HTTP. That we use the word in the World Wide Web, and how HTTP is enhanced, in which way we can enhance the HTTP to provide it on the mobile devices. So these are some issues regarding the HTTP. Whenever we use this HTTP hypertext transfer protocol to the mobile devices. In continuation to the issues, we have some caching problems. Whenever we use HTTP in mobile devices, we have some caching problems, like quite often disabled by information providers to be able to create user profiles, like user statistics, etc. So dynamic objects cannot be cached, like numerous counters, time, date, personalization. These are not cached in mobile devices. Again, mobility quite often inhibited caches. Then security problems like authentication between clients and server. This is again a issue in HTTP that is provided on mobile devices. Today many user customized pages dynamically generated on request via CGI ASP. So these are the issues in we say in HTTP whenever mobile devices use the World Wide Web. So posting, sending data to the server. Post is sending data to the server, can't typically not be buffered, very problematic if currently disconnected. So these are the issues whenever we use the HTTP in the mobile devices. So if we use HTML and mobile devices, means HTML used in mobile devices, then what is the issues? Like HTML designed for computers with high performance, high color resolution displays, mouse, hard disk. So in mobile devices we doesn't have these high performances. So again this is an issue. Typically web pages optimized for design, not for communication. So this is basically an designing language. So this is the issues with HTML. Then mobile devices is often very small, low resolution displays, very limited input interface, like small touchpads, soft keyboards, low performance. So these are the issues of mobile devices whenever we use the mobile devices, internet onto the mobile devices. So additional features are animated GIF, like we use Java applets, frames, ActiveX control, Shockware, Move clips, audio. All of these additional features that we use in World Wide Web, and these are not properly supported on mobile devices. Many web pages assume true color, multimedia support, high resolution, and many plugins. So web pages ignore the heterogeneity of end systems. Example, without additional mechanism, large high resolution pictures would be transferred to a mobile phone with a low resolution displays, causing high cost. So these all are the issues whenever we use the internet on the mobile devices. So we need to improve the HTTP, we need to improve the browsing browsers to be cached into the mobile devices. So for mobile devices we have to enhance these issues or resolve these issues. So approaches for WWW for mobile devices. So what the changes we can do with protocol stacks, what the changes we can do with our browsers, with our system, with the HTTP protocols that we used in internet. So a number of changes can be done to use the www to the mobile devices. So application gateways, enhanced servers like simple clients, pre-calculation in a fixed network. Again, we provide compression, filtering, content extraction, then automatic adaptation to network characteristics. And the example for these are picture scaling. We also perform picture scaling, color reduction. If there is no proper bandwidth is not available, then we provide the color reduction. Transformation of the document format like PS to TXT, means all of the things that we use in computer by using the www. Then we have, if we use all of these things into the mobile devices, then we have to remove the sizes, remove the color combination. So also we have to provide the clipping and zooming features on the mobile devices. Then headline extraction, automatic abstract generation. So these are the features that we have to provide on the mobile devices. Then we have HTML, handheld device markup language to provide the internet on the mobile devices. Simple language similar to HTML, that is requiring a special browser. So on the mobile devices we have to use these type of features. Then we provide the internet onto the mobile devices properly. So HDTP, handheld device transport protocol, it's a transport protocol for HTML developed by Unwired Planet. So we have a special protocol stack, we have a special browser, we have a special language that provide the internet facility on the mobile devices. So now what's the problem? We provide the solutions to use the internet on the mobile devices, like protocol stack, browsers, languages that we use on the mobile devices. But what is the problems? That proprietary approaches require special enhancement for browsers. Again, heterogeneous devices makes approaches more complicated. So these are the problems whenever we provide the protocol stack, new protocol stack for mobile devices or browsing languages for mobile devices. So some issues that might help mobility. So first one is the push technology. It's real pushing, not a client pull needed channels. In HTTP 1.1 we have to use client server use the same connection for several request response transaction, that is persistent connection. Multiple requests at beginning of session, several responses in same order like pipelining. Enhanced caching process responses useful in equivalent responses. Semantic transparency not always achievable. So we have disconnected performance, availability most up to the date version. Several more tags and options for controlling caching like public, private, maxes, no cache, etc. Relaxing of transparency on application requests or with warning to user. Then encoding / compression mechanism, integrity checks, security of proxies, authentication, authorization. So cookies are also used here, whereas stateful sessions not really integrated. So all of these are the issues whenever we use the mobility, or we say whenever we use the World Wide Web on mobile devices.